What is up, guys? Purple 216 on. You can cite the 216 on. I play PS3, but I'm playing the Wii today. And I don't even know what to play. So yeah.
Come on, Benji. Watch out, MJ.
Wait.
Okay, well, you don't need this. Can you move?
Hold on, let me get on top.
You have to get on top of the question mark and then...
Yeah. Go, Benji.
Spread out. Stay right there. You know how to use that, Benji? Okay. Oh! Sorry, Benji.
Oh, wait. You guys come back.
No. Watch out, Benji.
Come back.
No.
There's a secret thing.
It won't let you go down there.
Hold on. Oh, mine.
I can say it.
Ooh. Smart idea. Smart idea.
You want to be stupid and not listen to us?
There's a freaking up.
Pipe that wouldn't go down, MJ.
Yeah, but I still got the up.
Anna,
What's up?
you're gonna get in trouble.
I asked.
Yes, yourself.
Mom! Wait. I asked.
Yes, Jesus.
She needs Jesus. She needs some Jesus.
MJ, you don't know how to even use that song.
Dude, if only he was coming to the Simrat Center. Dude, I'd be uptown funky.
Dude, who's playing that song right now?
My sister.
Well, I'm freaking annoying already.
I heard.
Jump, Benji, jump! Benji!
That's not me.
Don't move, MJ, move! Don't hit it!
That's me. I'm Hello
Oh.
Toad.
Hey, someone jump on me.
Alright.
Really? Stop it!
Benji! Yep. You can go through this one.
You guys to get this. I need
Wait, MJ, wait. We have to wait for Benji. Okay, come on, Ben. Because we have to get all these coins that we have to spread out.
Roby, don't. This isn't the one.
Yes, it is. Hit
It's
it.
the red ring.
Hit it. Yes,
I
this
can't
is the
touch
red ring.
it. No,
Spin
it's
your
not.
thing. Spin your thing. There you go.
Told you. Who was right? I was right.
Let me get this. Spin your thing so I can get this. The other way. Oh my god.
Stop!
Go, Benji. Run, Benji.
How do you guys do
Stupid.
that?
Do what?
Throw people.
Okay, I'm gonna get them. Nobody hit those. Nobody. Oh shoot. Nobody hit them. Hold on. Nigga, really? I just said don't hit him. Don't hit him. Here you go.
It didn't reach.
Really? We're not even done getting all the coins.
So disrespectful. Oh. So disrespectful.
Haha, I did it. Haha, I went up first.
Does it matter?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. Okay, I'll go right here.
Okay, MJ, go to the other side. Or not.
And of course, MJ gets the
We all did.
No, you guys get the fire.
We got fire. MJ got a power up.
Oh, haha.
Okay, here I'll control it. I got you. Wow, MJ.
Wait, this is a bubble. Up, down, bunky what?
So
Up,
disrespectful.
down, bunky what? Up, down, bunky what? Up, down, bunky what? Bunky what? Oh, sorry, guys. We are 7 minutes into the video, and we will
We
go here.
twerking.
Why would we twerk?
Why not?
Why would we?
Why not?
Why would we?
Why
Okay,
would it?
guys, we have to get the matches. Remember. Let's stop texting.
Talking to the moon.
No! I really want to play GTA.
Trying to get to you.
I know, chaos. My turn. I want this one. This one.
It's usually the bottom ones that get the Bowsers.
No, it's usually.
Yes, dude, right there.
Woo. Oh. Oh.
I'm good at them.
Hold on.
Want you back.
Whose water is this?
Who wants you
Where's that?
back?
Yours? Anybody?
Sure.
I'm having it.
No, no, no.
Fine.
Woo.
Oh.
This one. I'm scared. Oh.
Oh my
Benji.
god.
Put the top right.
Which one?
I don't know.
Which
I say bottom right. No, top. I don't know.
Ah!
The top right.
I knew it was top right. Alright. Dang it. Dang, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect.
Oh my god, the Wi-Fi is so slow. I know. Oh.
Oh, we have Yoshi's.
I call green Yoshi.
I call pink.
Someone has to destroy him because I'm almost gonna die.
I got it. Watch out.
Alright, Britt got it.
Yellow, you Toad, you have to move. Come on, load. I call green Yoshi.
Are you using the internet?
I call green.
Blue.
MJ!
Look.
MJ, get off of him.
I don't know how to.
Dun, 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 dun. Benji, go up. Oh, there you go.
I can't. With apple. No. Ah. Watch out, guys.
Oh, thanks, MJ. Watch out, I gotta get my Yoshi.
Oh, I gotta get my Yoshi. Oh.
Go, Benji, go, Benji. Benji, here's one.
I want that pink one.
Nope, it's mine.
I'm in yours.
You have to go from the bottom and jump up. Dun, 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 dun. postures? Oh.
Nice Benjis.
Oh
Who
my
needs an
God.
up? Get it, Benji. Just stand right there and then jump up. Jump. Wait, okay. Jump.